What can be more better to have a great side source of income? If you are a student, a working professional, freelancer, a homemaker, this video is going to be a game changer for you. Today, how lakhs of people are able to create income just by sitting at their sofa with the comfort of their home? So the answer is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a simple marketing model where you pick any product of the company, and whenever you make sale of that particular product, that company offers you a commission. And commission may vary depending on the product type. If a product is physical like smartphone, camera, laptop, the company may offer you a commission of 5 to 10% because it involves manufacturing cost and a lot of other cost as well. But if the product is digital, company may offer you up to 70% commission because it only takes one-time cost to create and build that particular product. But is it possible that you get 100% commission each time you sell any product? So presenting StartEazy, India's first affiliate marketing platform which offers you 100% commission on each referral. And here's how you can gain 100% commission with StartEazy. We currently have 10 skills bundle in our platform like AI bundle, money management bundle, freelancing bundle, digital marketing bundle, and much more. And the best part is you can pick and purchase any of these 10 bundle and you will be able to refer all these bundles and gain 100% commission. That means when you refer these products to someone and someone purchases through your link, you will be able to get 100% commission. Whether you make 10,000, 15,000, 1 lakh rupees a month or 10 lakh rupees a month, you only need to pay 999 rupees as a platform fees per month. And also you get 1 month's free subscription when you start with any of these bundles. Now you might be thinking that how can I make 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees or more than 5 lakh rupees a month? I have to sell to more than 100 people to make 1 lakh, to more than 200 people to make 2 lakh. But here's the twist. We present you the flexibility feature where you can create combos of our bundle. And how does it work? Let me explain you. If you buy more than 2 bundles, you will be able to create combos. Let's suppose if you buy 5 bundles, you will be able to create a combo of 2 to create a commission of 2,000. You will be able to create a combo of 3 to create a commission of 3,000. Similarly, for 5 combos, you will gain 5,000 rupees as a commission. Also, if you purchase all 10 bundles, you will be able to create a combo of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even 10 bundles combo to create 10,000 rupees as a commission. So major of the market has already started showing their love for this concept because of its flexibility. You can control the price of the product and also you can control your commission as well. And also you can earn whatever commission you want to earn. So this was the whole simple concept of StartEazy. So if you want to become a part of this StartEazy community, simply ask for the enrollment link to the person who has sent you this video's link. This is Deepak Kumar and I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the community.